So I'm holding this amazing bottle of the most luxurious oil that's raved about not only around the world, but for centuries. Black cumin seed oil, especially when it's gone through the perfect press process, is the most therapeutic oil in our entire line. Now, there's some interesting things that will happen to you when you start taking it. It was a little bit annoying to me, actually, because I've always had throat issues throughout my whole life. I had strep throat when I was 1 year old and got rheumatic fever, and I've always battled things with my throat. So when I first started taking this, it felt like it was just chewing away at the back of my throat, like a really spicy medicinal sort of a thing, and it was actually quite annoying. Well, I was told, don't worry about that, just keep on taking it. Within 2 weeks, that should all go away. And after 2 weeks, it smoothed right out. No more problem there at all. So this is one of these acquired taste oils as well. You can mix it with Manuka honey. It's another medicinal type honey that goes well with this and complements it as an adjunct, but you'll figure it out. Now, the black cumin seed oil, you don't need a lot of it every day, but it is a daily oil because it allows your joints to be better. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, has a lot of antioxidant properties. So the oxidation is what makes us age quicker. The inflammation is what causes overall body pain. So this is a wonderful oil that people just love, and they add it on their skin. It helps to get rid of acne. It helps to get rid of various different blemishes in the skin like psoriasis and eczema, and it smooths it out, getting people to look younger. So Cleopatra was known to use it to get rid of wrinkles, and women especially have the softer skin and really get a greater benefit from this than anyone else. People actually get to a place where they crave the taste of this, and they can add it into salad dressings and use it in dishes in their meals and things. So it's a cool oil. Adding this in, watching what it does, having a better operating body, changing your oil out, because this is another oil that helps to focus in on different organ functions, and you change out the oil in the lipid membranes of each cell in all of those organs. That allows your body to upgrade itself by having what we will call an oil change. Every one of the oils from Perfect Press does that, and they all have a different reason and a different purpose and use. Add this luxurious oil into your life and upgrade every single part of your body.